Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming you are an owner or administrator of the repository, otherwise deletion is blocked. Once signed in, make a local backup, clone the repo or download a zip because deletion is irreversible. Next, navigate to the repository's main page so you can access settings. Make sure to check branches and active actions before proceeding. This establishes a safe deletion point and prevents accidental loss of work or CI configurations. So move straight into the Settings tab now. Once on the repository settings page, scroll carefully to the Danger Zone section near the bottom where destructive actions live. You will click Delete Repository and GitHub will prompt you to type the exact repository name. This prevents mistakes, so type it precisely and double-check capitalization and hyphens. After typing the name, confirm by clicking the Confirmed Delete button. If two-factor authentication is enabled, you may need to enter a code. Make sure to read the confirmation language before finalizing. You finish by confirming GitHub shows a deletion success message and that the repository URL returns a 404. This verifies removal. Once deleted, remove or update any local remotes and inform collaborators so forks or links aren't left dangling. If the deletion fails, check your permissions, ensure the repository isn't part of an organization policy, and verify that GitHub Actions, Dependabot, or branch protections aren't preventing removal. If needed, contact your...
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.